Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best block printing kit is probably one of the most rewarding and accessible ways to explore the ancient and beautiful art of block printing, offering a fantastic creative outlet for expressing your artistic vision and creating unique, personalized designs on fabric, paper, and more. In this video, we will walk through everything you need to know to choose the perfect kit for your skill level and creative aspirations, ensuring you have a seamless and enjoyable experience from start to finish. Number 5. Speedball 3471 Block Printing Kit. This kit has all the essentials for beginners. It's perfect for students and anyone wanting to try this fun craft. You'll receive black ink, a brayer, a lino handle, cutters, and a Speedy-Carve block. Everything you need to get started. Make unique prints, greeting cards, and other paper crafts. Let your creativity flow. It comes with instructions to guide you through the process. Step-by-step images are also included on the box. This kit saves you money compared to buying each item separately. It's the perfect way to start your block printing journey. With this complete kit, you have everything you need to create beautiful, unique prints. Get started today. What we like. This kit has everything you need to start block printing, perfect if you're a student or just starting out. It includes all the tools and materials, saving you money compared to buying them separately. If you're looking for an affordable and complete beginner's kit, this is the one for you. What people say. It's been months and the items still hold up. Everything is easy and safe to use. Cleaning has been no issue. The size is great for the price and the kit has everything a beginner needs. This was my first experiencing with block printing and this kit is great. I decided to make some wrapping paper for my niece's unicorn-themed birthday party and I'm so pleased with how it turned out. I drew the design directly onto the block with pencil and then carved it out. This set comes with a holder, 3 gouges small V, large V, and a large U, black ink and 1 Speedy-Carve block. It is the bare bones essentials to get started with block printing. Number 4. Speedball Speedy-Carve Kit. It's easy to transform your artwork into personalized stamps. This kit makes creating unique stamps fun and simple for everyone. You get everything you need, a carving block, a wooden handle, tracing paper, and clear instructions to get you started. Create long-lasting stamps for school projects, handmade cards, or any creative activity. It's perfect for both kids and adults. Transfer your drawings or printed images onto the carving block quickly and easily using a warm iron. It's that simple. These high-quality lino cutters are crafted from tempered steel, providing clean cuts on various materials. They're perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Unleash your creativity and make unique, personalized stamps with this complete kit. It's the perfect way to bring your ideas to life. What we like. Easily transform your drawings into custom stamps with this kit. It's great for both kids and adults, making unique and long-lasting stamps for home or school projects. If you enjoy creating personalized stamps from your own artwork, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Kit comes with a 4x6 rubber block, a cutter handle and 2 blades, a small sheet of tracing paper and instructions. The rubber block was dense and easy to cut. The carving bit is a wooden handle with 2 interchangeable blades, one of which is for carving small details and the other is for clearing off large areas. The blades are well made and do not dull easily and don't get stuck in the handle piece. The rubber block is very soft and easy to carve, even with a well-used blade. I found that you can even make 2-sided stamps if they are small enough. The Speedball Speedy-Carve Stamp Making Kit is a great kit to start getting into stamping with. A small sheet of transfer paper is included which makes transferring designs to the rubber block easy. Simple and effective for starting out. Number 3. Pixiss Rubber Stamp Carving Kit. Unleash your creativity with this complete kit. It has everything you need to start making your own unique stamps. This versatile cutter features 6 blades, perfect for carving rubber, linoleum, and other soft materials with precision and ease. The kit includes 12 4x6-inch rubber blocks, ready for you to carve your designs. They're easier to carve than linoleum. A range of carving blades are provided, ensuring you have the right tool for every detail of your design. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this kit is perfect for creating custom stamps. It's fun for all ages. The ergonomic handle provides a firm grip, allowing for fast and accurate carving. Create beautiful stamps quickly and efficiently. What we like. This kit provides a generous supply of rubber blocks to experiment with, along with a range of carving tools for different effects. The rubber is easier to carve than linoleum, making it ideal for beginners and those who want quick results. If you need a large quantity of blocks to create many stamps, this is the best choice. What people say. This item was exactly what it said it was. Quality is awesome. They carve like butter, even smoother than butter. They also seem to be durable as well. Had taken a class in linoleum stamp carving and enjoyed it so much, so I bought this kit to make more. It turning out to be better than I had hoped. Number 2. ESSDEE Block Printing Kit. It includes 2 high-quality ink rollers, perfect for applying ink evenly. The 50mm roller is versatile for various crafts, while the 100mm roller ensures consistent results with its precision ground surface. 3 lino cutters are provided, including a safety cutter for beginners. The V-shaped tools are ideal for creating fine lines and intricate designs. Experiment with different sizes to achieve various effects. The comfortable, ergonomic handle makes changing cutters quick and easy. Its sturdy construction and secure grip ensure precise control while carving. The kit also contains high-quality printing ink and a carving block, ready for your creative projects. Everything you need to start block printing is included. This complete kit is manufactured in the UK, ensuring high-quality materials and craftsmanship. It's perfect for artists, crafters, and anyone looking to explore the art of block printing. What we like. Experience professional quality block printing with these superior ink rollers and safe, easy-to-use cutters. The kit is made in the UK, ensuring high standards of manufacturing. If you value quality materials and precise tools, this kit is for you. What people say. Great beginner set. It comes with everything you need. The person was delighted with the gift. Very surprised by the quality and how well the kit is assembled, with everything necessary. Highly recommended for beginners in engraving. Great starter kit. Number 1. Rustark 24-piece block printing kit. This complete kit has everything you need to start creating your own unique rubber stamps. Let's explore the possibilities. It includes a rubber block, carving tools, gloves, tracing paper, a whetstone, and more, a total of 24 pieces. Everything is ready to use. The high-quality carbon steel carving knives provide a sharp, precise cut, making carving easy and enjoyable. The different sizes let you create intricate details. Transferring your designs is a breeze with the included tracing paper, pencil, eraser, and scraper. The rubber roller ensures even ink application. Simply apply ink to the block, roll it evenly, let it dry, and then carve your design. It's that simple. Use inkjet, laser prints, or clip art for your designs. Perfect for card making, paper crafts, printmaking, and more. Create personalized and meaningful crafts to express your imagination. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from carving tools to tracing paper, for a seamless block printing experience. The easy pattern transfer method simplifies the process. If you want a complete, all-in-one kit with all the accessories, this is the one to choose. What people say. It provides everything I need to begin carving my own stamps. Very good quality. I also like that protective gloves are included. Came with so many extras. Sharing stone, tracing paper, and do much that I didn't even realize I was getting. The cutting tools are a good quality for a beginner set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.